Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Blitz Quick Tutorials. We're back in my car. It's really dirty right now. There's a lot of here, but it's okay. So as you guys saw from my previous live stream, my first live stream also, I was just giving you guys a heads up about where I've been. I've been so busy. It's been crazy. Slightly overworked, I'll be honest about that, but everything's gonna be okay. It really is. Anyways, today I have a cool liquid concept for you guys, so let's jump into the video. So yeah, it's been a couple weeks, and liquid has been one that I think more people need to use in their shows. This is an old school move, so I'm happy to kind of bring this back to everyone's attention and teach it to you guys. So here's the move. Okay, so really what's happening here is we're weaving our fingers, or threading our fingers, not weaving, I guess weaving, whatever you guys want to call it, threading our fingers, right? So I would kind of just get used to doing this back and forth. And what's happening here, if you guys want to see from the side, is as I'm pulling one hand back, my fingers are kind of bending in with it. Okay, to give that illusion that again, they're attached and that they're one moving entity. Okay, and you want to do this both ways. I would start just going one direction, like a couple times in a row, and then do the other side. If you guys want to watch from this side, it's the same thing. Again, my hands are starting interlaced, so if I wanted to ball them up like this, right, I could. And then just pulling that hand back, and as I'm doing that, the other hand is following. Okay, so now if we wanted to put the whole move together, we're going to start here, formed with a ball, right? And then we can move it back and forth as we're opening our hands. This is kind of a good place to start in the beginning of a show, you know, if you wanted to, or if you wanted to like slow it down at a certain portion, you know. And then from here you could transition into a liquid, right? So once you're starting to pull your hand back, right, this hand, as you're pulling, like if I'm pulling with my left hand, my right hand can come back towards my body, and then I can liquid out of it into another liquid move. Or I could just, maybe if I wanted to, if I started from here, I could pull the whole thing back into another liquid, right? And then maybe go into here, into maybe some tuts, finger tuts, whatever it is that I wanted to do. Yeah, so that's the move for today. It was a really short one, but I think that we can all agree that it's probably just a good thing that I'm recording anything, even if it's just a short thing. So yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I try to post them every Tuesday. I haven't for the past 6 weeks, only because again, I was really busy and I really just didn't have the time for it, you know, but my schedule's kind of opened up, so hopefully I'll be uploading some more content and stuff like that for you guys to enjoy. Yeah, and on that note, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day.